Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all parents and my dear students. Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to do English task of day 5. We will read book page number 46 and workbook page number 32 and 33 we will write. So open your book page number 46. We will do phonic practice, revision of sounds with O. O. We have read the sounds with O. Now we are going to revise. Listen, look and read. Look at the first word. What is it? P, ox, pox. J, ot, jot. K, op, cop. Next word, J, ob, job. Last word is in first line j, og, jog. Now some words are given with pictures. Look at the first picture. What is it? It's a dog. So how to read dog? The, og, dog. The, og, dog. In second picture the girl is sobbing or crying. So how we will read sob? S, ob, sob. S, ob, sob. Next picture is a pod of pea. So, how to read pod? P, odd, pod. P, odd, pod. In third picture, here is a rod. So, let's read rod. R, odd, rod. R, odd, rod. Come into next line. Here is a dot. D, ot, dot. D, ot, dot. Next picture is of a log. So let's read log with sounds. L, og, log. L, og, log. In next picture we have a mop. M, op, mop. M, op, mop. And in last picture of second line, here is a rabbit, and rabbit is hopping, jumping. So how to read hop? H, op, hop. H, op, hope. Look at next picture in third line. What is it? It's a cup of hot tea or coffee. So cup is hot, or tea or coffee in cup is hot. So how to read hot with sounds? H, ot, hot. H. Look at the next picture. It is a pot. How to read pot? P, ot, pot. P, ot, pot. Next picture is of a box. B, ox, box. B, ox, box. Last picture is of fox. F, ox, fox. F, ox, fox. So students, it was the revision of sounds with O. O. After revising this page, we will start our workbook work. So take out your workbook. Page number 32, English workbook. So let's start. Write and practice A to L capital and small alphabets. Dear students, begin your work with Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So write and practice capital and small letters. In previous lectures, we have done previous letters. Now we are going to do I, J, K and L. Capital I, how to write? We will start from first line, make a standing line till third line. Capital I. Small I will be in second and third line. Let's start from second line, make a standing line till third line, make a curve towards right, and then a dot on small I. Capital J will start from first line. Start from first line, make a standing line till third line, then make a curve towards left. It's capital J. Small j will be in last three lines, and there will be a dot on small j. After j we will write j, j. Now we will write k, k. Capital K, then small k. Capital K will be in first three lines, and small k will also be in first three lines. Small k, make a standing line from first to third line, then start from second line, make a slanting line towards standing line, then make a slanting line towards right side, then curve it. Capital L, start from first line till third line, make a standing line, then make a sleeping line towards right side. Small l, start from first line till third line, make a standing line, then curve it towards right. It's L, I, J, K, L. You will complete this page. Remaining lines you will do yourself. Write in proper lines. Now we have an activity. Giving gift is a sunnah. Let's help Bushra to pack a gift for her friend. Can you help her by coloring things beginning with letter I and L? Yes, lamp starts with letter L, so we will color it. L, lamp. Make a dark outline and then you will fill color inside. L, lamp. L, lamp. Lamp starts with letter L, that's why we are coloring it. Make dark and neat outline, then you will fill in color inside the lamp. Hold the color properly and don't leave any white space. Fill all the white spaces. Now we have done coloring in L, lamp. And we will find some more things which starts with letter I and L. Students, make proper and dark outline. Outline should always be dark and filling should be light. Now we will find some more objects. What else is in the picture that starts with I or L? Yes, I-E, iron. I-E, iron. Do you know helping is a good habit? Yes, we should help our friends, we should help needy people, and we should help others. It is a good. Now we are helping Bushra because we are coloring the object which begins with letter I and L, because Bushra is going to pack a gift for her friend and giving gift is a sunnah. So we should give gifts to our friends. Do you give gifts to your friends? We should give gifts to each other. We will not color jelly and cattle because jelly begins with J, jelly, cattle begins with K, cattle. We will color only iron and lamp because they start with E and L, I and L letter. After finishing this page, we will start our second page. We are going to do page number 33. Open your workbook, page number 33. Write capital A to small capital and small l. So we will write A to L capital and small letters. Capital A will be in first three lines. Make a slanty line from first to third line, then another slanting line from first to third line. Then join the slanting line in middle. Now small a will be in between second and third line. Small a. Now capital B. Start from first line, make a standing line till third line. Now make half circle in first and second line and join the standing line. Then make another half circle in second and third line. It's capital B, B. Now write small b. Small b, make a standing line from first to third line, then make a half circle in second and third line. B, B. Capital and small b. Now K, C, K. Capital C will be in first to third line. Make half circle. It is capital C. Small c will be in second and third line. Make half circle in second and third line. Now D. Capital D will be from first to third line, standing line. Then make half circle from first to third line and join the standing line. Now write small d. What is the sound of D? D. Make a half circle in second and third line. Then go upward till first line and then come back on third line and make a curve towards right. Now write capital E, A, B, C, D. Now we will write E. What comes after D? E. Standing line from first to third line, then make sleeping lines on first, second and third line to join this standing line. Small e. Capital E, small e. Now write capital F. Make a standing line from first to third line. Then join two sleeping lines on first and second line. Now make small f. Small f will also be in first to third line. Now write G. Write a C from first to third line. Go upward till second line. Then make a standing line. Capital G. Now small g. Make a half circle or C in second and third line. Now make a standing line from first to third line, then curve it towards left. Now write capital H. H, her. Two standing lines from first to third line, then join these two standing lines on second line. Now small h. What is the sound of H? Her. H comes after G. H, her. Now what comes after H? I. I, E. Let's write capital I. Standing line from first to third line. Small I will be in second and third line. And we will put a dot on small I, E. Now write J, J, J. Capital J will be in first three lines and small j will be in last three lines, and there will be a dot on small j. After j, j, you will write k, k. Capital K. Start from first line and make a standing line till third line, then make two slanting lines. Small k, capital K, small k. K, k. After K, we will write capital L and small l. L, L. Capital L and small l. L, L. Let's revise. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. So it was your today's task. After completing your work, you will say Alhamdulillah. Allah Hafiz students.